Welcome back to the channel. Today we're dropping the engine back in this 1994 Dodge Stealth RT Twin Turbo. Let's go! Sorry about this abysmal few seconds of footage. Wasn't planning on filming, so this was done with an antique of a cell phone. Anyways, got this engine in and this car's off to a good start. Actually, there's a bunch of work that happened before this, but we'll just start here and go over everything later. Intake. Perfect. Got it?
Well, that's a knock sensor.
Okay.
That's the oil pressure that runs under there all the way to the back. The middle one's the injector harness that's in there. That's what that is. Because the injector harness, it's got two, for the injectors, it's got two separate injector harnesses. One runs through the engine harness, the other one runs off that.
Alright, so looks like Rodney got quite a bit done today, and we're really taking our time making sure that this is 100% good to go. What did you end up doing today?
I looked over a whole bunch of stuff. I tightened up some power steering lines that had to go because we rebuilt the rack on this one. So we did all the power steering lines back, remounted the power steering pump. I put the intake manifold back on it along with the shifter cables, made sure the heater core lines were hooked up also. Double checked all the antifreeze lines going to the turbos, checked all the oil feed lines to the turbos, just, you know, can never hurt to double check, triple check things, you know, when you're going over a car like this that's got so many modifications on it. Ran all the electrical, the engine harness. Not a whole lot, but definitely a little bit. We had to modify that subframe down there also because this has a IPS V-band pre-cat to downpipe. So something that we don't get to see a lot, but super cool part. But we did have to modify the subframe for it. I have a lot of projects, a lot of stuff going on, you know. Then there's regular life that happens, so.
It took a short break from the 3000 stuff for a few weeks, and we're going to be getting slowly back into it project by project now.
It seems like we get more views on the 3000 stuff, huh?
You kind of started with those videos, and people really like these cars. I forget what year this is. What is this, 94, 95? 94, right?
I want to say 94 because it'll be a 95.
Yeah, so this is a Stealth with a 99 conversion, minus the headlights. They're still 94.
It's got Stealth headlights.
And then he's got the combat wing in the back. So yeah, last week dropped the engine in.
Yeah, we got 13G turbos, like I say, 3SX manifold, IPS downpipe kit. I don't know who made the motor mounts, but they're the two solids, front and back, polys on the side. Rebuilt rack and pinion, bearings, billet oil pump gear. Oh yeah, extended oil pan, yeah. Gauges in it too.
Bearings, super important because this has a, what, 105 or 107,000, something like that? Or?
Yeah, somewhere around there.
So those typically get done at what, 120?
Yeah, 120.
Perfect time while the engine was out with a couple upgrades. 13G turbos, so it won't need to be like remapped or anything because those are...
You could drive it like this. It's fine.
Cool. Also, had a chance to work on this Galant VR4. What a gem! Haven't seen one of these on the road in a few years, so it was cool to help get this thing back on the road. This is another one we're just catching the last bit of footage after all the work. Right now, just installing a 6-volt oil filter housing and buttoning it back up. Let's take a closer look at this VR4. I don't know. Oh, sounds good. I didn't see a leak, so that's good.
On that first to second.
You want to pop it up for me?
Yeah, popped, yeah.
How'd it go?
It was all right.
Alright, bud, what is this, day number 2? And
1157. Run it.
what do you got there?
Piece of that 3S extra turn line kit. See how much easier that was? Yeah. Yeah. Snug.
Snug.
Now for the back one.
Alright, progress.
Snug.
Snug. Alright.
Oil return lines. Another day, another victory for the OG. Right?
That's right. What are you putting on here?
Like an inspection plate.
Oh, inspection plate.
Mount bracketry. Bracketry.
Block to transmission bracketry.
Bracketry. That's in the right bowl. Let's go on here. Let's get a top one then. Get out the electric tools.
Those are nice. It just fits right in.
Yeah. That's what she said.
The rear brackets going on.
Yeah.
That one's a pain in the butt.
You're telling me, dude. The rear bracket's got all the cool stuff in the way. The oil return line, the rear pre-cat. On this one's aftermarket, and it's a little more in the way. I don't know if it's more or less in the way. Yeah. it.
It needs a few more things, and we'll kind of get into that in the next video.
Yep.
Until next time. Peace out, buddy.